46 runs. Bubba, he's got a lot more runs to go as well in his career. What a start.
Two straight, the first boundary.
That's a great sign, but which wasn't a great sign, it was just a little bit straight. Stark. You can see he's always stepped up for Australia in these big games, these big ICC tournaments. He's always stood up. So he's to keep his nerve, just focus on the run-up, making sure he's got that balance in his run-up, and then the line. The line is crucial with him when this ball is swinging.
Shot. It's played that well. Balance necessary. Stars on either side.